Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to a new episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's all about making you a better home baker. Today, I'm going to show you chocolate cookies. Now, the chocolate cookies I have, they're actually two in one. They have cocoa powder and they have white chocolate. For the ingredients, we need margarine, 1 egg, vanilla essence, cocoa powder, sugar, the white chocolate, there's all-purpose flour, and baking powder. We'll start with the baking powder, and which is half a teaspoon. So that's half a teaspoon. I'll add the cocoa powder. And now for the margarine, around 110 grams. Now to the margarine, I'll add the sugar. So first of all, mix using a hand spatula like that, and then using an electric mixer or a hand mixer, so it takes about two to 3 minutes when you're using the electric mixer. But the idea again is to have it light and fluffy and aerated. And to this I'll add my 1 egg, and the vanilla essence. Now at this point we'll add our flour, baking powder and cocoa mixture. So what I'll do is sift everything together. So you can actually just bake them as they are without adding the chocolate chips, but you're making them more chocolatey by just adding the chocolate chips, and it also gives a nice contrast between the brown chocolate and the white chocolate. For the white chocolate, we have, the original recipe says 1.5 cups, which is about 260 grams of white chocolate. But to be honest, you can always adjust it depending on how much you have, or how much you like of the white chocolate. So as you can see, they are smaller pieces now. I'll add them to my cookie batter, then mix. So like I said, you can use your judgment to determine how much white chocolate to add, and you can also use the brown chocolate chips if you have them, if you don't have the white ones. So I have my baking tin here. What I'm doing now is using an ice cream scoop, because this helps in scooping out the cookie dough into the tray, and then space them using the back of a spoon or the ice cream scoop. Press gently, and now by pressing this way slightly, what you're doing is that you're helping the cookie flatten, because as it cooks, now that's why you give them space, it flattens, so you need to give it space to spread. I'll bake them in my overnights at 180 degrees. Chocolate cookies are done. You can see the white chocolate chips on the inside. See, on the edges they're slightly hard, but on the center it's usually very soft when they're fresh from the oven. But when they're cooled down, like now they're already cooled down, they are crunchy. But I hope you've learned something today. Those are my chocolate cookies recipe. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. Subscribe to the channel so that you're notified every time I have a new recipe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for more recipes and tips. And until next time,